Shalom, man. Your boy Davo back with another one, gang. We back in the motherfucking trenches. Hey, look though, y'all, man. Before we even start this video, make sure y'all boys hit that hype button. Y'all ass be playing around, gang. I ain't finna start this video until y'all hit that hype button. Hit that hype button, folks. But look what your boy Davo done did in the trenches playing around. Oh my God.
Bro,
I'm on top of the motherfucker. I ain't even
back up, that bitch was spinning.
and look, for and I am sick, so I'm still getting content here for y'all boys with a little ass sweat on. My coat is in the car, but today's video we will be doing a suppressor POV. So with my boy came down here with me. Really, his ass got me outside because he just hit me on some like, man, we should pop out, but we in the trench right now. We in Gary once again. It's just so treacherous over here. If I'm gonna need your ass to pull me. I mean, not pull me, I'm gonna need your ass to push me. But yeah, though, them tires decent. Hold on, record this shit real. I'm gonna try to get out this shit.
Hold on, I gotta get the other side. This nigga wheel just rotated. Cut it. There you go, there you go. This nigga.
That's that same car?
Oh, yes,
His ass.
yes.
He keep bending this bitch, looking. He keep bending this bitch, boy.
Why you acting so dangerous, bud?
Come on, man.
Huh.
They ass tweaking, boy. If I this bitch, you ain't finna be able to hit this motherfucker, boy. Nah, though, chat. We are. Y'all let us know. Indiana's like Texas, bro, so. Y'all know anything that your boy do is legal. I'm not doing nothing that's illegal. A lot of my AI generated videos be illegal crap sometimes, so we gonna put this joint in track. This motherfucker finna f my lap on bro grade. This bitch finna. God damn. Hey, I ain't drove this motherfucker in a minute though. This joint been sitting. Shit. Boy, this bitch get up so crazy. Wait for folks. And I'm finna get some new brakes and rotors too, so we go beat these motherfuckers down to the ground. Cause I'm getting new brakes and rotors coming real soon, so we ain't gonna have to worry about none of that. this, oh! Bro, this motherfucker get up so crazy. And it's cold outside. This joint is sticking how I want it. Get some little flybys and shit right now on this road. I know this road don't look too much crowded and it don't look as bad, but this shit bad, but it don't look too bad, folks. You know? Alright, yo ass wanna go first? Alright, back. Hey! Let me see your phone. Fuck a POV. Man, this ass should've went all the way down on bro Greg. If he don't stump this bitch, man, this boy be stumping shit. Oh yeah. Oh, he tweaking. He running stop signs. No, his ass tweaking. Hey, I ain't finna be doing that, y'all, but I show y'all something. We ain't doing that though. Bro Greg. Hey, folk. Your ass is running stop signs, boy. You tweaking. My turn.
Yeah, you hear that motherfucking brakes. Hopefully, though, brakes don't go with that motherfucking silencer in there, boy. Yeah, that motherfucker just look crazy. Watch. He talking about running stop signs. Shit. I tell these motherfuckers, get off the road. Swing that motherfucker back this way, boy. Swing it. Swing it. Now, once you get that mind wild on there, y'all gonna hear this mug screaming down here, bro. That white ass turn, boy. That white ass motherfucking turn.
Hey,
Yo, it's bogus as hell.
Not as long as it look, folks.
No,
this
it's
bitch
not.
fucking over.
And then back there, I couldn't catch no traction.
Yeah. But I'm thinking that this road was long. This shit not even long as it look. Turn this shit down a little bit for y'all young boys. There's so much abandoned shit. This a one-way? Bro, I can't even tell what's a fucking one-way or not. Bro, this little ass street gotta be a one-way. Look at this bitch. That street little as hell. I don't know. Oh yeah, see though, that had to be a one-way, cause it has to be a one-way going that way, and this gotta be a one-way going that way. Drive like your kids live here. All right, I will. No, I'm gonna respect them. Psych! Oh shit, grandma. Oh shit! Auntie funny as hell. Alright, y'all, so I just pulled up to the crib. My boy KD finna leave. I just pulled up to the crib and shit. I was just finna end off my video right now. So make sure that y'all boys hit that like button and hit that sub button. Get me out the trenches and shit. Look at my neighbors, man. So I'm gonna just get up with y'all boys on the next one, gang. Y'all, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all my damn living room. Show y'all my living room. Oh, nah, let me get the suppressor, folks. And hey, make sure that y'all boys hit that hype button too, folks. Hit that hype button before y'all let this video end. And I'm out, gang. Peace.